classes. Today our topic is IIT JEE Mains important bits. Listen properly. Please give me your support and please like this video and please subscribe my channel. Listen this, which does not have a carboxyl group. Okay, so here picric acid, ethanoic acid, aspirin, benzoic acid given. First we have to write the structures for this. Picric acid means this is on benzene ring, on second position, fourth position, sixth position nitro groups are there. So this is called also trinitrophenol also. 2 comma 4 comma 6 trinitrophenol. Is this any carboxyl group? No. Next, ethanoic acid nothing but eth means 2 carbons, so oic acid nothing but COOH group. Okay, so ethanoic acid formula this one. Next, aspirin purpose. Aspirin actually acyl salicylic acid, acyl group present salicylic acid. Okay, so this is the group. In this carboxyl group present or not, once you check. Benzoic acid and benzene COOH group is present. Now tell me which is the correct option. Now once check the question properly beta. In this does not showing annadu kada, does not showing carboxyl group, which is not have COOH group. This is not have COOH group, remaining all have, right? So that is the first option is right. Okay, next question. Aniline, C6H5NH2 nothing but aniline, right? It is treated with sodium nitrate and HCl in presence of 0 to 5 degrees Celsius, and X is formed. After that, when we when these compound react with the warm water, it will give the Y. What is the Y? We have to find. So simple, how it is looking like phenol preparation, right? Okay, first this is the diazotization reaction. Once you check simple reaction beta, so these are the options given: aniline, benzaldehyde, chlorobenzene and phenol given. So which is the correct option? Phenol. How means once you check this reaction, aniline when treated with sodium nitrate and HCl, it is a diazotization reaction actually. I mean it will give the benzene diazonium chloride. This aniline group is converted like N2 plus and Cl minus, and when it is treated with the warm water, it these N2 plus Cl minus give the phenol group, I mean OH group. So which is the correct option? Fourth one is the correct option. Okay, next important question. Nitrogen liberated by the thermal decomposition of, nitrogen ఎప్పుడు లిబరేట్ అవుతుంది, దేన్ని థర్మల్ డికంపోజిషన్ చేస్తే? వన్ ఇస్ అమోనియం నైట్రేట్, అనదర్ వన్ ఇస్ సోడియం అజైడ్, అనదర్ వన్ ఇస్ అమోనియం డైక్రోమేట్. ఓకే, ఫోర్త్ వన్ ఆప్షన్ ఆల్ గివెన్, ఆల్ గివెన్. వీటిని హీట్ చేసినాం, ఐ మీన్ ఆల్ దీస్ ఆర్ కాంపౌండ్స్ బై హీటింగ్, ఐ మీన్ థర్మల్ డికంపోజిషన్, దోస్ ఆర్ విల్ గివ్ ద nitrogen. So that is why fourth option is right. Next question, the compound used as anesthetic during surgery. Okay, in surgery which is the anesthetic using? One is the chloroquine, another one is the halothane given, third one is the chloramphenicol given, fourth one is the thyroxine given. Thyroxine is the thyroxine tablet. So which is correct? Halothane is the right. Okay, second option is right. Next question, what is the Lasson's test? Okay, Lasson's test is used for the detection of which compound? Okay, so direct ఇచ్చేసాను, ఆప్షన్స్ ఇస్తారు. ఓకే, ఆప్షన్ ఏ నైట్రోజన్, ఆప్షన్ బి సల్ఫర్, ఆప్షన్ సి ఫాస్ఫరస్, ఆప్షన్ డి ఆల్ అని సమ్ ఏదో ఇస్తాడు. ఓకే, హియర్ ఆల్ ఈజ్ కరెక్ట్. దీస్ Lasson's test is used for the nitrogen, sulfur, phosphorus and halogen compounds. Okay, especially sodium metal. We are using sodium metal in this compound. Okay, in this sodium metal, first we have to take in a fusion tube, we have to heat it, and for that purpose we have to add organic compound. Okay, then we have to again heat it, and then we have to take in a china dish. Okay, we have to, in this china dish we have to take water also. It will give one kind of liquid. With that liquid we have to test these compounds. If those are contained these nitrogens and carbon, it will give the sodium cyanide compound. If the sulfide contained, it will give the sodium sulfide or sodium halide. How can we find means, especially if they will give the blue color, those are must be contain the nitrogen compound. If those are give the red color, those are that compounds are contain nitrogen and sulfurs. Okay, simple beta, remember Lasson's test is used for the nitrogen, sulfur, phosphorus and halogen compounds. In this Lasson test they will use mainly sodium metal. Okay, and sodium metal and organic compound, when we heat Okay, after that, when we add with the water, that liquid is working like a Lessons reagent. If this reagent tested for these sodium metal and phosphorus metal and sulfur metal, they will give the Lessons test, especially nitrogen purpose blue color, and nitrogen sulfur combination purpose they will give the red color. Okay, now the question is important question is Lessons test is used for nitrogen, sulfur, phosphorus and halogen. Okay, so here write all glycol equations. So these are the two formaldehyde groups are converting like a primary aldehyde. So which we are using, which reagent we are using here, that may be X. What is the X means? LaH, lithium aluminum hydrate. Okay, so direct write LaH. Next question, which of the following does not respond to borax bead test? One is a nickel salt, another copper salt, another cobalt salt, after that aluminum salt. Especially borax bead test we are using for the aluminum salt. So option 4 is right. Next question, precipitation occurs when salt is able to form supersaturated solution, completely dissolve అవుతుందా, సాల్ట్ ఈజ్ ఫార్మింగ్ సాచురేటెడ్ సొల్యూషన్, నార్మల్గా సాచురేట్ అవుతుందా, సాల్ట్ ఈజ్ ఫార్మింగ్ సాచురేటెడ్ అన్సాచురేటెడ్ సొల్యూషన్, ఇట్ మే నాట్ డిజాల్వ్ విత్ ద ఆర్ ప్రొడక్షన్ ఆఫ్ కాన్సన్ట్రేటెడ్ ఆఫ్ అయాన్స్ ఇన్ సొల్యూషన్ ఈజ్ మోర్ దాన్ ఇన్ కేస్ ఆఫ్ సాచురేటెడ్ సొల్యూషన్. Okay, so when is precipitated form? Simple beta, when is solvent mixed with the solute nothing but less percentage of powder, less percentage, solvent nothing but more percentage, right? When the solvent is mixed with the solute, when precipitate is formed. Now remember properly, solvent means actually more percentage, solute means less percentage, right? Precipitate forming purpose, compared to the solvent, solute percentage is more. Okay, so that time production of concentration of ions in solution more than in case of saturated solution. After mixing, after completion of saturated solution also, even more ions are present, that time precipitate is formed. Okay, so that is why option 4 is right. Next, phenol is called salicylic acid, benzyl alcohol, carbolic acid, solol. So what is the correct option beta? So carbolic acid is correct option. Okay, option 3 is right. Next, what is Finkelstein reaction? When ethyl chloride react with the sodium iodide, especially alkyl halides react with the sodium iodide, it will form the sodium halide separation. Here iodine group is replaced with the chlorine. Okay, so that is why this reaction is called Finkelstein reaction. Simple, here halogen is replacing with the other halogen, chlorine is replacing with the iodine. Remember, in presence of dry stone this reaction is occurring. Next question, what is aquaragia? Aquaragia means HNO3 HCl mixture అందరు గుర్తుపెట్టుకుంటారు, బట్ ఏది రేషియో అనేది మర్చిపోతారు. సో 1:3 రేషియో ఆఫ్ HCl is correct answer for the aquaragia. Don't forget this. Okay, so see this aquaragia 1:3 ratio, HNO3 1%, 1 portion, HCl 3 portions. Melting point for this -42 degrees Celsius. Okay, yes, check this. In this, on benzene nitro group present and ethane group present, when it is heated with the bromine in presence of bromine, if we heat or under UV light, if we did this reaction, what is the product? X is formed. Simple beta, it is major mono halo product is formed. Especially we may expect all these kind of products, but what is the major he is asking here? NO2 CH2 CH2Br halogenation occurs, but where? Here or here, CH3 group on CH2 group, or in ortho position or in meta position. A second option, CH3 Br and NO2 given. Here CH2 CH3 at second position, Br given. This, which is the correct option? Actually, remember this kind of halogenation purpose, we may expect the free radical stability or carbocation stability. Here CH3 CH2 is there, right? Here bromination occur or here bromination occur. Mainly less number of hydrogens place, this is the correct position. Here bromination occur, that is why second option is right. This is the major product. Okay, So this is the reason. Free radical substitution, tertiary hydrogens greater than secondary hydrogen, after that primary hydrogens. Okay, next reactivity order also same as this, tertiary, secondary, primary. Next important question, listen properly beta. A is involved in the chlorination and giving the CCl3CHO in presence of NaOH, it is giving B. What is the product? Here these are the options, which is the correct means. First we have to write the reaction. So acetaldehyde when involved in the chlorination, here CCl3CHO, in the place of 3 hydrogens chlorines are substituted, and when it is treated with the sodium hydroxide it will give the chloroform. Okay, now he is asking A and B, right? So A is the acetaldehyde, B is the chloroform. Which is the correct option beta? First option is right. Important question, listen properly. Okay, first option is right. Next question, it is also repeated bit in MSET. Phenol when treated with the chloroform and sodium hydroxide, it will give the salicylaldehyde. Actually, what is the reaction beta? Is it coal base or Remer-Timmer? Remer-Timmer, right? So Remer-Timmer purpose, what is the famous intermediate? Electrophile. He is asking the electrophile involved in the above reaction. Most of the students are doing this mistake. Electrophile means they are thinking about only for the positive charge. Not like that. Here we have to imagine this dichlorocarbon, extra electrons containing. Here the empty orbital is there, that is the main reason it working like a electrophile. So CCl2 dichlorocarbon is working like a electrophile, not remaining options. In where? In this reaction. Important. Next we may expect this kind of question also beta. Is it an important question? Kjeldahl method, it is not Kjeldahl method. Here J is silent. Kjeldahl method is used for, or Kjeldahl method is not used for what? It is very very important. Remember it. Here actually this Kjeldahl method was developed by John Kjeldahl in the year first published in the year of 1883. Okay, remember it, especially for nitrogen finding purpose, nitrogen determination purpose. In where means in organic not inorganic, in the organic compound, organic compounds containing nitrogen finding purpose, this method is introduced. Okay, so listen properly. In this direct question, they will give options, we have to find. Kjeldahl method used for the nitrogen compounds, only for the organic compound. Organic compound containing nitrogens are determined by the base of Kjeldahl method. Okay, next question, Kjeldahl method cannot be used for, ఎందుకు ఎక్కడ యూజ్ చేయము, where we are not using Kjeldahl method? One is nitrobenzene, another one is azobenzene, another pyridine, another all given. So which is the correct option? Means all are right. Okay, these are this kind of compounds purpose Kjeldahl method is not used. Okay, better remember properly. These are not showing Kjeldahl method. Okay, where we are using this means nitrogen finding purpose, in where organic compounds. Here useful for not used this question. Next important question, Gattermann-Couch reaction. In this these are the options given. One is a haloalkane, when it is treated with the sodium and triether it is giving alkane. Next second question is, when benzene is converted like benzaldehyde in presence of carbon monoxide and HCl, anhydrous Cl3 copper chloride. Third option both 1 and 2 given. Fourth option benzene diazonium chloride and it is converted like chlorobenzene. Most of the students are doing, especially clever students are doing this mistake. So I don't know, that is why at a time I want to explain this. Halobenzene formation reaction is in presence of copper powder from the benzene diazonium chloride. Okay, in presence of copper powder. Okay, if it forms the halobenzene, it is a Gattermann reaction, not Gattermann-Couch. It is Gattermann reaction. Okay, in the place of copper chloride or copper halide we used, that is a Sandmeyer reaction. Here Gattermann-Couch means benzene directly converts like benzaldehyde in the presence of carbon. carbon monoxide and HCl, anhydrous AlCl3 copper chloride. This is the Gutterman-Koch reactions. Okay, so second option is right. సారీ, హ్యాండ్ రైటింగ్ బాగాలేదని ఏమనుకోకండి, ఆల్రెడీ చాలా లేట్ అయిపోయింది. ప్లీజ్ గివ్ మీ యువర్ సపోర్ట్. ప్లీజ్ లైక్ దిస్ వీడియో అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ మై ఛానల్. లిజన్ కేర్ఫుల్లీ. Next question, when glycerol treated with the concentrated nitric acid, what is the product? Here trinitroglycerin is formed. Okay, so same as it is CH2ONO2 and CHONO2 and CH2ONO2. Simple, in the place of hydrogens NO2 groups are present, so it is a explosive in nature. Okay, trinitroglycerin compound. Next question, what is Nessler's reagent? Formula for the Nessler's reagent. Okay, KHG2I2, KHGI3, K2HGI4, HGI2. So it is a K2HGI4 is correct option. Okay, Nessler's reagent nothing but potassium tetraiodmercurate, like this beta. So K2HGI4 name potassium tetraiodmercurate 2. Okay, so this Nessler's reagent is useful for the ammonia and ammonium salts. Okay, this is also important bit. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel Maheshwari Chemistry Classes, and please give me your support. కొంచెం ఫాస్ట్గా అయిందేమో, ఇప్పటికే లేట్ అయిపోయింది, సో అర్థం చేసుకుంటారని అనుకుంటున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. ప్లీజ్ subscribe my channel and please like this video. Thank you for your patience. Thank you very much.